Hi guys, this is Rukina from EnglishWise Sydney CBD branch.
Hello, this is Donay. I am from Turkey. I recently got 80 each from my PTA exam and I am here to share my experience with you.
So, how do you feel, Donay?
Actually, I'm quite well because it was a long journey and finally I got my result. I'm so excited and actually I don't know what to do right now because I was studying very long time and I don't know what to do. I'm just celebrating. Yeah, no more PT, just celebrating now.
Okay, Donay, so firstly, you tell us, like, how did EnglishWise, what sort of role did EnglishWise play in helping you get your score? Let our viewers know.
Okay, so at the beginning I was quite like up and down and I didn't know what to do. When I arrived here and there were a lot of strategies and I was a bit confused and I was not sure that strategies was gonna work or not. But after 2 weeks, I think I got accept that there is a logic of this exam and I just have to accept and start to absolutely.
Yeah.
And then it started to work actually.
Yeah.
And I just need to get some mock tests to get some feedback from our teachers, and also I had to learn all the steps of the exam, all the type of questions and how much time I need to separate each question, and time management was very important for this part.
So did mock tests help you to manage the
Absolutely.
time?
I mean, I had to take a lot of mock tests to understand which part I should pay
more attention to.
Absolutely, yeah.
And Donay, so what's your secret recipe behind getting 80 in PT finally? So
okay.
You're missing like 1 point or 2, but what did you find that what is the secret recipe in getting 80?
Okay, first of all, I had to believe that I would get it.
Exactly. Motivate yourself.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then I did a couple of times and I was just 1-2 point missing from 80, and I had to study again and again, do the same exercises and do more and get the time management and get to again the same score again. And then my teachers and my friends, my family just support me. You can do it, just take one more. And then finally I had to motivate and push myself to do it again.
Yeah, Donay has actually proved that nothing is impossible.
Yeah, that's for sure.
right. So Donay actually, it's not her first attempt. She has given the test a couple of times and a little bit missing by 1 point or 2. Like motivation, it's very important for you to know which are the question types that you should be focusing more on. Which are the time wasters. You need to understand how the question pattern flows. You need to understand how the path flows, right? And the next thing, very important, like Donay said, mindset. You need to have a positive mindset. You need to tell to yourself that yes, I can do it. And that's when the results actually come to you, right?
It's true, actually. I really want anyone to like get their score. It's such a good feeling, guys. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, Donay, because Donay is from Turkey, I would want you to say something like share your experience. You have shared the experience in English. If possible, please share your experience in your native language.
Okay, no worries. Herkese merhaba. Bu gerçekten çok uzun ve zorlu bir yolculuk. Özellikle eğer sizin skorunuz 80 ise gerçekten çok iyi çalışmanız ve bu sınavın stratejilerine inanmanız gerekiyor. Stratejileri öğrenip bunları uygulayarak ve gerçekten skorunuza ulaşacağınıza inanarak yaparsanız siz de yapabilirsiniz. Lütfen o stratejileri kullanın.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much. Like proving that the strategies work, hard work and dedication do actually.
Hard working is really good point to like just press underline it. Yes, that's true.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Donay's experience will be your experience too in the future. Thank you so much and see you soon in our branch.